favors down to a minimal tonight. But one of the main favors I want to ask of you, please do not get so faded that your friends gotta babysit you. Not tonight, not tomorrow night, not next week. Stop doing that fucking shit. That shit ain't no fun for anybody, not even you. Don't nobody want to find you in the back seat with your pants full of your own shit. You know what I mean? That's all I ask. Other than that, tip a glass. Thank you for coming. And all she wanted was a little bit of solid. Feels like love, it doesn't matter what you call it. Heal the cuts, I hide them underneath the polish. Break another promise and take me as your hostage. Hold your job down and let the zombies crowd around. Thinking mommy's God, it's a cop's town. Keep it safe for me while I chase a fantasy. Swerving through the galaxy, searching for a family. Happily surrounded by planets and stars. She was stuck uptown, you was landing on Mars. It's all fucked up now. Caught your hand in the jar. Another small step back for that man at the bar. Spill a little bit of blood on the street for love. It goes to those that know that they drink too much. They hold your own glass up to the heaven. Take a little time and try to count to 7. Come on, pour me another so I can forget you now. Pour me another so I can come let you down. Pour me another and I can remember how true that I am to this addiction of you. Pour me another so I can forget you now. Pour me another and I can come let you down. Pour me another and I can remember how true that I am to this addiction to you. Drinking all the way, numbing down to none. Stay awake tonight, wait for the sun. You say you hate your life, you ain't the only one. Let your frustration out the gate and watch that pony run. 1, double for the hunger and the struggle. 2, for the fool trying to pull apart the puzzle. 3, now I smile while I wait for your rebuttal. By the 4th shot, I'm just another child in a bubble. Let it pop just to play with the passion and the placement. To see what the fuckers let me get away with. Still trying to climb a mountain for you. Hammer in my hand, still pounding on the screw. She don't listen, so he don't speak no more. Nobody's winning, cause neither are keeping score. Don't wanna think no more. Let me drink some more. Pour me another, cause I can still see the floor. Pour me another, so I can forget you now. Pour me another, and I can come let you down. Pour me another, and I can remember how true that I am to this addiction of you. Pour me another, so I can forget you now. Pour me another, and I can come let you down. Pour me another, to remember how true that I am to you and you. Live life tipsy. Stiff if it don't fit right with me. Kiss my whiskey. Lift my lips, press it to my angel. Swallow her and leave her empty body on the table. Let your past fall. Make your faces at the clock on the back wall. Count down the last call. Ask all of these faces that make sounds. How long does it take for the pace to break down? Another lonely little trophy. If only I could walk a straight line, I'd make it home free. And everybody in this bar thinks they know me and my story. Like pour me another homie. I can count the days till they come back. Follow the sun rays all the way down to the train tracks. I can stumble drunk over hope and love, or I can just keep drinking until I'm throwing up. What? Pour me another so I can forget you now. Pour me another and I can come let you down. Pour me another and I can remember how true that I am to this addiction of you now.